So trauma-informed pedagogy is a field of study in higher education and has the potential to transform how educators engage with students. Trauma-informed instruction recognizes that trauma can impact students' success and encourage strategies to foster supportive environments and reduce barriers to learning. We wanted to know how BC-based post-secondary educators engage with trauma-informed pedagogy and how they observe the impact of trauma with students and what barriers instructors face when trying to support learners who've experienced trauma. We tried to understand what collective and institutional action could be taken to create positive learning conditions for students who've experienced trauma. We conducted semi-structured interviews and held 2 focus groups with 12 participants from 6 different post-secondary institutions in BC.
We learned that from a trauma-informed perspective, educators are prioritizing relationship building, flexibility, connection, and care. Educators openly acknowledge the suffering, hurt, and pain different students were experiencing, as well as the systems of oppression that may be causing harm. We determined that trauma-informed pedagogy encompasses solidarity work alongside our students. Barriers to engaging with trauma-informed practices were feeling inadequately prepared to support and work with students who've experienced trauma, as well as a lack of tailored services that were available for students themselves. Educators felt that it can be difficult to find the time to engage with the tools they feel they needed, and that tasks supersede people. Some of the recommendations that were discussed were to support educators with managing classroom dynamics and emotions, and for institutions to see educators as frontline workers. It was also seen as important to create spaces on campus for students that are trauma-informed, culturally safe, and that prioritize mental health. These spaces also need to focus on the student as a whole person. Ultimately, institutions can take a lead on prioritizing the humanity in each of us. Thank you.